Hello everyone, I'm Vicky. It's my pleasure to share my speech entitled Planning for Love. It's hard to say whether planners or non-planners are better. Planners can organize every step and they are full of rules and discipline. They prepare everything before starting a task, so nothing is left behind. However, this may also mean they are less adaptive. On the flip side, non-planners don't make a plan in advance. They tend to go with the flow, which shows they can adapt and deal with unexpected situations. In fact, every personality trait has its own value. No matter you are a planner or not, you are a unique and shining star in the world. You don't have to change for anyone, but you do need to accept that differences exist, and that's okay. Planners have their own kind of magic, and so do non-planners. At its core, acceptance means recognizing the strength in others. On a deeper level, it's about adjusting your mindset so you can appreciate others' qualities. Therefore, planning to embrace others is also a way of planning for yourself. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.